Here's how to create an Apple ID and iCloud account in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. An Apple ID is required to use iCloud, the App Store, iMessage, FaceTime, and all Apple services. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Sign In to your iPhone at the top. Then tap Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. Tap Create Apple ID to start the setup process. Enter your name and date of birth. Make sure your birth date is correct because it affects account features. You can use an existing email or create a free iCloud email address. This will be your Apple ID. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Apple will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter the code to continue. Accept Apple's terms and conditions. Your Apple ID and iCloud account will be created automatically. Always remember your Apple ID email and password. You'll need them to download apps and back up your data. And that's it. You've successfully created an Apple ID and iCloud account. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.